Happy 4th of July. What's up? Hey everyone, in this episode, it is the week of 4th of July. It is hot and sticky here in Minnesota, but today we're gonna do some final setups on our obstacles. We gotta go run and get some supplies, but really cool little bottle cap challenge. And you know, we gotta add some fireworks in it, so this will be epic, 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 epic. Bring it back. But I think we need something that's metal. I think if I just go take, do we have that gaffer tape, that black? The Excavator doesn't have shoes, so we're gonna have to give it a bottom of a shoe.
We want to get a little bit more traction. This is gaffer tape. It's fancier duct tape.
Nothing in life's easy, Tron.
2,000 years later.
Score! Here's our bottle cap challenge. Check out how we open our oil. Hit it, Adam. Whoa! Woohoo! First time. Adam! Give me my karate pose! Karate pose! Yes!
Woo! That feels good.
But that was the first time! Awesome! Okay, well now we gotta get...
Woo!
If you on the job right now, back to work!
So what are we missing for the rodeo?
We just got to get the rest. We have a good idea what we're going to do. No, we don't. But we have to just do the finalizing touches on it. So we're gonna go see what type of stuff we've got out in our garage back in the corner.
Tom, you can stay here. We'll be right back. You guys drive by. I want to see if we have telephone poles. It won't be. We'll be right back.
Can I come with?
See you later,
Nope,
John.
stay here. We'll be back.
Stay here. I'll be back.
Good idea.
You back.
We're back. Now we gotta get some work done around here. Yeah, so we changed the height and made it a little bit shorter because it was too hard for people to do and it was too high. I think this will be a lot easier. Looks just like a little bit of Pac-Man.
So we can see it.
Yeah, now it's a lot easier for them to see.
Oh, we put tennis balls on top. Whole thing can be tennis ball themed. Tennis balls everywhere.
Yeah, so now we're working on the dozer, my favorite thing. This one's challenging because we have to make some more interesting obstacles that aren't just about pushing dirt.
I've now shown Rockstar several times. The only one that's ever sent me a case is my wife. Thank you, honey.
That one's from Quick Trip from Adam.
Oh yeah, this says thank you. Okay, so we finished, yeah, we did our measurements. We gotta go to the store. It's 4th of July week. I gotta get some, I'm a little bit of a pyrotechnic.
We gotta get some blow-up stuff.
We gotta get some blow-up stuff, but we also gotta go to the store and get more supplies to finish this off. So, yeah, we're gonna go and maybe get some more Rockstar.
Let's go. Our grocery list concerns, basically a lot of gunpowder. We're gonna make a big boom boom.
We're gonna do a little detour over to Wisconsin, Scotty. They're not exactly Ligano in Minnesota. Ligano, ni Ligano is gray area.
We're gonna light some stuff on fire.
We're gonna do extreme Excavator Roman candle. This is either gonna be the greatest thing we've ever done, or pretty much a lot of these things we say it's the best thing we've ever done, or it's gonna be horrible.
It's gonna be really good for our neighbors. I'm looking for the best fireworks to shoot at drones. If anybody can help me here, I'd appreciate it. Anybody? Hey, fireworks check. And then we're gonna go get our supplies to keep working. So let's go. Hey, best place to be on the planet other than Quick Trip. Let's go in a Menard.
We're back. I'm just ready to blow up stuff. I mean, okay, we got to work. We're gonna finish putting some of our obstacles together. We're so close, and then we'll paint them later tonight. But we just got a few testing, a little bit more testing.
Yo, are we gonna celebrate the 4th of July or what? We bought a bunch of fireworks.
We have worked hard.
All work, no play makes Adam a tired
It's
boy.
4th of July. Let's do it. We're gonna fire them all at once. That's red.
Our forefathers didn't leave the tyranny of Britain for us not to light all the firecrackers and gunpowder off at the same time. I didn't have a lighter, but I did have a road flare, so we'll use that better to light everything on fire.
Happy 4th of July. What's up?